In this lesson, we will see together the direct objects pronouns, but more precisely the pronoun la. So what are direct object pronouns? Direct object pronouns in French are used to replace nouns that are directly acted upon by the verb. So the verb is acting directly on the noun, and we call that complément d'objet direct. The nouns are acted upon by the verb without any preposition. And that's the reason why we call them direct and not indirect. Direct means without any preposition. So we will see a few examples to make it clear, but then first in this lesson it will be la. And the direct object pronoun la is translated to English her or it, depending on the context. Remember that la is féminin singulier. So let's see 4 examples. Je la vois à la bibliothèque. Je la vois à la bibliothèque. Tu la connais? Tu la connais? Il l'apprend tous les jours. Il l'apprend tous les jours. Nous la trouvons belle. Nous la trouvons belle. So remember that I made a really precise video covering these pronouns complément d'objet direct with many other examples. So I really invite you to have a look at it if you still have few doubts.